How to reply to a comment on Instagram story. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow this process in order to do so. So for that, open up your Instagram application first, and then once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and look out for the story that you posted. For example, at the top left corner, you should be finding your story. You can tap on it in order to view the story that you posted. So in order to look for the comments, you can tap on the bottom right corner, the activity section, and when you go over there, you should be finding all of the comments. In order to reply for your story comments, you need to look out for the reply option. Right beside it, we can easily find a reply option. So you can simply tap on it, and then it will lead you to this section. So you can just go ahead and type in your reply here. After that, tap on send. And once that is done, you can go ahead and see the chat. You can see the reply directly by tapping on the chat icon at the top right. And you should be finding your chat right here. And that's it. That is how you basically reply to your comment on your story. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next video.